Hello everyone. Today we are going to be learning about decimals, and in particular we are going to learn to understand place value within the decimal system. As we've already seen, not everything can be measured with whole numbers, and if we have something that can't be measured with a whole number, or if we need to divide it up more finely, we can use fractions and decimals. Last week we learned about how to use fractions. This week we're going to be learning about how to use decimals. We can use a fraction when it's a simple one, for example half an apple, 3/4 of a metre. But use decimals when the amounts aren't simple. After all, you wouldn't talk about 13/27 of a litre. It's much easier if we can use a decimal instead of that. You've seen this before. We have a number that's been divided into a hundreds column, tens and units. So 734 has 4 units, 3 tens, 7 hundreds. 466 has 4 hundreds, 6 tens and 6 units. And if we want to incorporate a larger number, we add another column, the thousands column. So now we have 1734, which is comprised of 4 units, 3 tens, 7 hundreds and 1000. If we want to make numbers that are smaller than 1, we have to use columns that extend to the right. These columns are titled the tenths column, the hundredths column and the thousandths column. We separate these numbers from whole numbers with a decimal point. The top number here is 34.3. The bottom number is 66.5. The numbers on the right of the decimal point represent parts of a whole number. For example, the upper number has 3 tens, 4 units and 3 tenths of a whole number, while the bottom number has 6 tens, 6 units and 5 tenths of a whole number. Let's have a look at it this way. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 tenths or 1 whole. Now I've placed a yellow box around 3 tenths. As a decimal, we can represent this as 0.3. So 3 tenths its decimal equivalent would be 0.3. If we represent this in another way, 34.3, we can see that we have 3 tens, 4 units and 3 tenths of a whole, or 3 tenths of a whole number. 4302.1 is written as this. The 0.1 means that we have 1/10 of a whole number. I'd like you to write down the following numbers as decimals and submit them via Edmodo, please. You may need to pause this. Take care everyone. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye.